Ever since Elon Musk started tweeting about it, Bitcoin's been on a roller coaster ride. Maybe you've been along for the wild ride, or maybe you're just starting to consider dipping your toes into the crypto pool. Either way, with Bitcoin breaking new ground, and sometimes crashing spectacularly, you might be wondering, if I buy some Bitcoin elsewhere, can I transfer it to Wealthsimple? This question is especially relevant with platforms like Wealthsimple popping up, offering a seemingly easy way to buy and sell crypto. But what if you're already invested in Bitcoin through another exchange or hold it in your own personal wallet? Can you consolidate it all under one roof with Wealthsimple? The answer, my friends, is yes. Wealthsimple actually allows you to deposit Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies from an external wallet. This means you can take your existing Bitcoin holdings and move them over to Wealthsimple for easier management, trading, or just to keep it all in one place. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of how to deposit Bitcoin to Wealthsimple, let's address the elephant in the room: security. Keeping your Bitcoin safe. Bitcoin might be all digital and futuristic, but security is no joke. When you transfer Bitcoin, you're essentially sending it from one address to another on the blockchain, a giant public ledger. There are no banks or middlemen involved, which is part of the appeal of crypto, but it also means if you mess up a transfer, there's no hitting rewind. That Bitcoin is gone, potentially forever. So, before we get you all hyped about moving your Bitcoin to Wealthsimple, let's emphasize this: double-check, triple-check, and quadruple-check those transfer addresses. One wrong letter or number, and your Bitcoin could vanish into the crypto abyss. Alright, security lecture over. How to deposit Bitcoin to Wealthsimple. Now that we've gotten the scary stuff out of the way, here's how to deposit Bitcoin to Wealthsimple. Step 1. Fire up the Wealthsimple app. First things first, you'll need to have a Wealthsimple account set up with a crypto account specifically. If you don't have one, creating an account is a pretty straightforward process. Once you're logged in and have your crypto account open, navigate to the deposit section. Step 2. Find your Bitcoin deposit address. This is the crucial step. Within the deposit section, you'll find a list of supported cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. For each currency, Wealthsimple provides a unique deposit address. This address is like your personal mailbox for Bitcoin on the Wealthsimple platform. It's a long string of letters and numbers that might look intimidating, but don't worry, you can copy it to your clipboard. Step 3. Head over to your Bitcoin wallet. Now it's time to grab your Bitcoin. Whether you hold it on another exchange or in your own personal wallet, you'll need to access the platform or software where your Bitcoin is currently stored. Find the send or withdraw function, depending on the platform you're using. Step 4. Sending Bitcoin to Wealthsimple. Here comes the moment of truth. In the withdrawal section of your current Bitcoin platform, you'll be prompted to enter a recipient address. This is where you paste the fancy Bitcoin deposit address you copied from Wealthsimple earlier. Make sure you copy and paste it accurately. Remember, a typo here could spell disaster for your Bitcoin. Step 5. Double, triple, and quadruple check. Yes, I know I said this before, but it's so important it deserves repeating. Before you hit that send button, double, triple, and quadruple check that the Bitcoin deposit address you pasted into your current platform matches exactly with the one you copied from Wealthsimple. Step 6. Initiate the transfer. Once you're absolutely, positively sure the addresses match, you can finally hit that send button and initiate the transfer of your Bitcoin to Wealthsimple. Relax, it might take a while. Bitcoin transactions aren't exactly instantaneous. The transfer speed can vary depending on network traffic, but it could take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours for your Bitcoin to show up in your Wealthsimple account. Don't panic if you don't see it immediately. You can always check the status of your deposit within the Wealthsimple app. Congrats! You've deposited Bitcoin to Wealthsimple. Once the transfer is complete, your Bitcoin will be safely tucked away in your Wealthsimple crypto account.